Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to attach a bamboo handle to your bag. And if this is your first time here, please click on the subscribe button to support me, and don't forget to like, comment and share my videos. So to fix your bamboo handle, you are going to need the piece you are working on, your bamboo handle, which comes with these two rings for both sides. So as you can see, it has a screw nut in the middle. This is it. You need your silver pen, you need your screwdriver, your tape rule, ruler, your scissors and your ring holder. You can see I already folded them. So now I'm just going to bend my working piece this way and take my silver pen. I'm going to mark both parts this way. Also going to do the same thing here. So this is just to help me know where I'm working on. So now I'm just going to take my bamboo handle and place it the middle part of my top panel. So I'm just going to center it. Make sure it is centered. You can just eyeball it, or you can take your tape rule and measure from the edge of your working piece to the bamboo handle. So this is 2 inches. I'm also going to check for the other side, and this is also 2 inches. So now I'm just going to mark on both sides of my bamboo handle. So now I'm going to keep this aside. Now I'm just going to bend this again. Take my tape rule and measure on this line. So I'm just basically trying to get the middle point of my handle part. So just going to measure, and this is 2.5 inches. So half of 2.5 is 1.25 inch. That's our midpoint. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Going to measure 1.25 inch. So now I'm going to take my ruler and rule So now I'm going to cut through this line. So normally when we are fixing our handle, we normally cut this way and not this way. But when you are fixing a bamboo handle, always make sure to check and know which way to cut. So as you can see, there is a hole here in our bamboo handle where our ring, where our screw is going to pass through, and this is the ring. So we are going to pass this ring this way and screw our bamboo to it. So that's the reason we are cutting this way and not the other way around. So now I'm just going to take my scissors and cut through the hole. So now I'm going to take our ring holder and fold it into two. So we're going to pass it through this hole downward. So I'm just going to push it through the hole. You can pass one end of the ring holder first, or you can just fold it into two and push it. So you can just pull from the back. So it doesn't have to be too long because we only need to pass our ring, so you can actually test it and see if it's going to fit. So I'm basically just going to pass our ring through it this way. So you can leave this or you can remove it and fix anytime, or fix it when you are done sewing. So I'm just going to take the other part and just fold the tip and try to push it. Take your ring and test. You can see it's all okay. So I'm just going to keep this. Now we are going to top stitch on both sides of our ring, and before doing that, we'll make sure this is laid down flat this way. We'll lay it flat before top stitching on both sides. Make sure this is laid down flat. So now I'm just going to take this to the sewing machine and top stitch on both sides. So I'm just going to start sewing. Remember to lay it flat at the back. Just place it. I'm going to bend this ring holder and set. So I'm placing the edge of this my machine foot on the line, so that will be my guide. I'm just going to drop and start sewing. So I'm going to backstitch. So I'm just going to cut my thread. So I'm going to sew on the other side of my ring holder. I'm just going to place the edge of this other part of my machine foot on the line. So press this down and just set. So I'm going to start sewing. Make sure to always backstitch. Backstitch. As you can see, so now I'm going to change my thread and top stitch on this other side of my fabric. So make sure to lay these flat before top stitching. I'm just going to bend this and drop my machine foot. So I'm going to start sewing. Backstitch. And backstitch again. So just going to cut my thread and top stitch on this other part. So now I'm going to I'm just going to top stitch on this other side of the ring holder. So you backstitch. So I'm just going to backstitch. Raise my machine foot and cut. So I've fixed the first ring in my ring holder, and this is the second ring. So you just unscrew the nuts with your screwdriver, as you can see. So now I'm just going to pass the ring through my ring holder, as simple as this. So now the next thing we're going to do is take our bamboo handle. So you can see the holes at the side. So now we're going to place our bamboo handle and align the hole in the ring with the hole on the bamboo. So we're just going to pass the nuts through the hole and take our screwdriver. So now we're going to screw the nuts till it's tight. So now it's all tight, you can see. Now I'm going to screw the other side of the handle. Just make sure the holes are together. You pass your nuts or your screw through the hole on your ring and on the bamboo handle. I'm just going to screw it a little bit with my hand before using my screwdriver to tighten it. So now we're done. It is all tight, and you can see our bag already looking very cute. Let me show you the inside. You can see it has a slip pocket and it also has a zipper pocket. Let me show you. You can see it's looking very neat. So I have an online class for this bag. If you want to learn how to make this structured bag from the scratch to the finishing, so register for my classes and learn the art of making more stylish bags with different handles, different flaps and the rest. So thanks for watching. See you next time.